Hi, my name is Wayne Farquhar. Welcome to Dell'uva Estates. At Dell'uva Wines, one of the things that we pride ourselves on is excellence from the ground up. And in order to achieve excellence from the ground up, we're constantly doing trial work to make sure that we're able to produce the best quality wines possible in Australia. And what we have at the moment, this is one of our trials. Here we have different rootstocks in 9 rows. They're planted at 2-metre row spacings. This is the typical European way of growing grapes. You have 6,600 vines per hectare, and we only grow a small amount of fruit per trunk, resulting in high quality wine. So what we have here is we have the same Shiraz clone on different rootstocks, and we're evaluating the rootstock performance by making small batch wine so that we can maximise the quality of our wines. The trouble with single vineyard wines are that they tend to be monoclonal. In other words, a single vineyard has one clone and one irrigation panel, and the wine is quite specific to that terroir. Whereas what we're trying to do here at Dell'uva, as single vineyard wines, we're trying to maximise diversification by having a range of rootstocks, a range of clones in our vineyard to give us the most complexity that we're able to achieve in the wine. And the most important thing for us is using high quality wine rootstocks. We've imported all of our own rootstocks into the country, and this enables us to achieve maximum wine quality. You can see here in this section here we have 7 vines planted in the 6-metre panel. So they're planted 80 centimetres apart. A traditional planting of Shiraz in the Barossa Valley is something in the order of about 2 metres. So we're able to achieve 4 times more trunks per vineyard than the typical Australian vineyard. And this gives us more energy into the berry, resulting in higher quality wine, particularly with the use of our high quality rootstocks. You must remember, at Dell'uva Wines, our main saying is excellence from the ground up. And in order to achieve excellence from the ground up, we carry out these trials to make sure that what we deliver to you in the bottle is absolutely super premium. I'll just give you an example here. We've got 2 different rootstocks, all planted with the same clone. And so here we have this particular rootstock, and over here we have that rootstock, and whoops, you can see we have completely different bunch structures. This is a quite open, lot less berries, whereas this one is quite solid, more compact. And the result is that when we put these 2 into separate small batch wines, this wine will be different to this wine. But the combination of the 2 gives us great diversity, which makes our wine superior. So this is the difference that rootstocks can make. But as well as rootstocks, we also have clonal variation. But these are the same clone, just grown on 2 different rootstocks, resulting in 2 different bunch structures, resulting in different wines. And we have 9 rows here with these trials, and they're all different. And so what we try to do when we plant our Dell'uva estate is we try and have different rootstocks down the rows, different clones, so that when we pick, we have great diversity and we have more stability in vintage variables. Each year, one rootstock or one clone might outperform the other, so each vintage we don't get the massive variables that occur in the typical mono single vineyard blocks. So as I say, Dell'uva, remember, excellence from the ground up.